If you're annoyed with seeing the same content on TikTok over and over again, then let's see how you can unfollow a person on TikTok. Before we start, if you're new to this channel, then please consider leaving a like because it would really help me out. The first step is to open your TikTok app, then click on this little search icon in order to look up the account which you want to stop following. I will type a random TikTok account which I follow, and then I'll go over to their profile. Once you open the profile of the person, you'll want to hit this little profile icon, which has the settings icon next to it. This is going to show us the options to customize our name, or you can hit this unfollow option, and then you will stop following this person. This means their videos won't automatically show up on your following feed anymore. And you also won't see as much of their content popping up on your For You page. Now, just to be clear, unfollowing someone on TikTok doesn't block them. They can still see your profile, watch your videos, and even follow you if they want to. The only difference is that you're no longer subscribed to their updates. So your feed stays cleaner and more focused on the creators you actually enjoy watching.